when I was studying, there were about, in my group, there must have been 5 more young ladies who had decided to come and do fine art. And I'm afraid their interest dissipated uh, due to various reasons, and they didn't move forwards in the career they had chosen. One would probably think that it was a period where they wanted to spend at something which was not as taxing as a serious degree master's course would mean immense amount of study, because most of them had a certain amount of talent which they should have nurtured in the art school, which was an ideal place for them. And it was very difficult to be out working and trying to approach galleries and trying to work at solo shows. When I was in Mysore, I had my first solo show in Bangalore, Hotel Ashoka, where I switched from oils to colored inks and pastels, this and that. And then I was living in Mysuru, and then my husband suggested that I just go ahead and book a gallery in Bombay and go ahead by taking a loan, because banks were very, very considerate of women, professional women coming to them for loans, and very accommodating, which I took advantage of. So not only that, I did a good job where whatever investment I made, I recovered and beyond that for my Bombay show at the Jahangir Art Gallery. And I exhibited at the Taj Art Gallery twice, Jahangir Art Gallery thrice, I think. Then at the Simrosa Gallery, it was a sponsorship. And then it went on like that. But at no time was I working with colleagues. There was no teamwork. There was no acknowledgement that I could be doing interesting work, which had a future, which could be developed further, and that I could sustain myself as a painter, as an artist. There was no acceptance by my colleagues, no recognition. Unfortunately, it's a tough scene. You just have to survive it. And it was a great joy when Nanda Gopal from Cholamandal phoned me. He said, "Premlata, I'd like you to give one of your works to Cholamandal Gallery, and the one I want is from the Birds of the Kaveri series." That was a great compliment, and I realized it was an acknowledgement of me as a successful artist painter. And it was tough. It was very lonely. It still continues to be like that in certain way, and but so it is in all careers, in all other areas as well, that there is a certain reservation about the achievements of women, whether it is of standard enough. It's questioned, which is rather amusing in today's world. I don't have any regrets. I feel that under the circumstances where I've had other commitments, don't forget that I have a family and I've raised a family, and I've had other commitments in my life, you know. I've achieved this. I have no regrets. There are river crossings where you have to tide over certain things and then go back to your work. There are times when you're not able to discipline your mind and go back to your work table and sit and work. So you have to handle that yourself. You have to grow out of it, and you have to take a break. That's what it means.